to Martinmade. My name's Stephanie and this is Silas. And we were in the kitchen yesterday making our Valentine's for our friends. And so we thought we would show you what we got for footage for that. So I hope you enjoy it.
So for Valentine's Day this year, we decided to do Lofthouse sugar cookies, and the recipe is down below. Now to start off, you're going to take your butter and sugar and you're going to mix it together until it's blended well. Then you're going to add your egg, and once that's mixed in, you're going to add sour cream to that and your vanilla. Once your wet ingredients are all mixed together, you're going to move on to the dry ingredients. You're going to put flour and some cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, and salt into a bowl and just blend it together really good. Then you're going to start mixing your wet ingredients and slowly add your dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Just do it real slowly, maybe a quarter cup at a time. Now once all of your wet and dry ingredients are mixed together, you're going to want to put all of this into a bowl that you can put into the refrigerator, and you're going to cover it with saran wrap. Now this is going to sit in the fridge for about an hour. Now for the frosting, you're going to want to put your butter and your shortening in. You're also going to add your vanilla and just your pinch of salt at this time. You're going to blend that together and then slowly start adding your powdered sugar. I was adding just about a quarter of a cup or so at a time. When you're just about done, you're going to want to add your whipping cream. It'll make it nice and creamy, and you can finish whipping everything in together. Now I made a total disaster of my table, but that's okay, we're making cookies and it was a lot of fun. So this is when you're going to add your food coloring at this time, and I decided to do a pinkish red color for Valentine's Day. And there you have your frosting. Now you're going to preheat your oven for 375 degrees, and then you're going to pull your batter out and work with half of your batter at a time. So pull out half, put the other half back in the fridge, and you're going to take your prepared cookie sheet and you are going to work with 1 tablespoon at a time and just form it into a little cookie ball. Now when that is done, you are going to take your spoon and you're going to spray your spoon down with oil, and you're going to use the back of that spoon to press down each cookie and just kind of shape it into the shape that you want. When that's done, you're going to put this tray in the oven and start doing the second tray. Now it's going to bake for 9 to 13 minutes, and you're going to be looking for this nice just brown around the edges. You don't want it really brown, you just kind of want it a bit of tan color. You can decorate your cookies however you'd like. We decided to use the frosting from the recipe I had, and then we had a lot of fun just putting sprinkles on. And those are the cookies. They actually turned out very well, and they are so soft and yummy.
So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. Can you do that, Silas? Go thumbs up? Thumbs up. Subscribe. Can you say subscribe?
Yeah.
and comment down below. We hope you have a great day. Bye.